Camping calms your mind and is a fantastic way to connect with Mother Nature. However, some people might find it intimidating, especially if they're new to camping, because camping becomes more engaging and congenial with experience. One of the main reasons people love camping so much is that camping allows them to experience something new every time. But camping requires proper planning, and you need to consider many aspects like weather forecast, campground, and many more. Plus, you need to have contingency plans to have a pleasant experience even if you're far away from your home. To make your camping more enjoyable and fun, here's a part 2 of our video about the 10 useful camping hacks and best camping tips and tricks. So, buckle up and let's begin. Before you leave your home for a long-awaited camping trip, do remember to check the weather forecast. If you see rain, thunderstorm, or high wind, you might want to reschedule your camping trip. Or you can just get prepared with appropriate gear like a rain fly, a footprint, or a waterproof rain jacket. You can save money, time, and energy if you make a proper meal plan, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Make a detailed grocery list and avoid overpacking food. It helps you a lot because that way you can refrain from buying too much food that will be just unnecessary. And make sure you cook simple meals. Prepare the ingredients for a meal ahead of time if possible. During camping, when it's all about using the toilet and you need to do a number 2, you might get uncomfortable. It's one of the discomforts and hassles of camping. But don't worry, as there are portable camping toilets which can save you from that kind of trouble. So it's a good idea to invest in a portable toilet as they are specifically designed around mobility, portability, and convenience. When it's all about staying hydrated, access to clean and safe water when camping is an absolute necessity. You might use a portable water filter or special tablets to purify water, but make sure you always store adequate water for drinking and cooking. Clean drinking water needs to be in a reusable container to get it whenever you need it. Or you can also buy 5-gallon water jugs at any grocery store before your trip. It's very likely to get dirty during your camping adventure, and you'll find it hard to get freshened up frequently out in the wilderness. That does not essentially mean that you need to stay dirty all along. You can use baby wipes though. You'll see, baby wipes are not just for babies. You can also use them for your need. They are the perfect solution to scrub out the dirt, sweat, sunscreen, and bug spray after a long day. Duct tapes are awesome. They might look simple, but you can fix broken things using a duct tape. For instance, you might want to fix a broken tent, glass, fishing pole, leaking water bottle, or anything of the sort. This is where duct tape acts as an adequate solution for just about everything. There's nothing better than a long and warm shower. If you think taking a shower during your camping trip is something you just cannot ignore, you might invest in a camp shower. They are portable, easy to carry, but most importantly, you will be amazed to have the benefits it has to offer. The backcountry is full of mud and dirt, but a camp shower will always help you stay clean and fresh. You have a plan to camp for a few days in a remote place. Well, don't go there without some essential toiletries because they will allow you to stay fresh even though you are far away from a beloved home. But look only for the essential ones and make sure the products are environmentally friendly, biodegradable, and don't come in glass packaging. Plus, it would be best to choose the toiletries based on the type and length of your camping trip. If you spend time outdoors, you'll see injuries are something natural. No matter how small it is, an injury can put an end to a pleasant camping experience. And it would help if you stay prepared for any uncertainties. Always keep a reliable first aid kit with minimum materials so that you can treat bruises, insect bites, minor cuts, and wounds until you can seek medical help. And finally, don't overpack. While it's true that you need to pack your essentials depending on the type and duration of your camping, but for the first few camping hours, don't stress over taking too many things with you. If you plan to camp for 2 or 3 nights, make a list and only take the necessary items. Just remember, you can survive as long as you have a place to sleep with food to eat. So that was all about the 10 useful camping hacks and best camping tips and tricks part 2 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.